Gondor Centrifugal vegetable cutting machine. Durable and high quality. Concave glossy design, large feeding port and smooth feeding. Opens to stop, full safety protection. The size of shredded slices is adjustable. The switch adopts waterproof design. Pour the prepared materials into the hopper. Efficient and precise cutting. Output can reach 1.3 tons/hour. Adjustable thickness, uniform strength. Customizable compound cutter set. Wide application, multi-purpose machine. Display of cutting effects. Applicable products. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping,